Harper, put it in your bucket. Good girl. Harper, look. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Is it broken? I'll fix it. Find another one. Put it in your bucket. Go put it in your bucket. Put it in your bucket. Candy. You just want to eat the candy.
Harper, let's find some more.